Hello everyone, how to solve this interesting problem for the value of x. X divided by square root of x is equal to 5. We will solve this problem with two methods. So let's start with method 1. As x divided by square root of x is equal to 5. We know that the value of square root is 1 by 2. So this will become x divided by x power 1 by 2 is equal to 5. Now by moving x power 1 by 2 from denominator to numerator, this will become x multiplied by x power minus 1 by 2 is equal to 5. X power minus 1 by 2 because we have moved x power 1 by 2 from denominator to numerator. Now by using the identity, if we have a power m multiplied by a power n, then this is equal to a power m plus n. When the bases are same and multiplying each other, then their power will be added. So this expression will become as x power, this is 1 and plus minus 1 by 2 plus into minus 1 by 2 is equal to 5. Now x power 1 minus 1 by 2 gives us 1 by 2 is equal to 5. Now squaring on both sides. Here x power 1 by 2 whole squared is equal to 5 squared. So this square and square cancel out. Here x is equal to 5 squared gives us 25. So we have found the value of x, which is 25. Now we use second method to find the value of x. Here x divided by square root of x is equal to 5. As we know that when the bases are same, then their power will be added. So we can write x as square root of x into square root of x. This will become square root of x whole squared. And this square root and square cancel out each other, and here left hand side x is equal to right hand side x. So we can write x is equal to square root of x into square root of x. So in the place of x, which is numerator, we can write this as square root of x into square root of x divided by square root of x is equal to 5. Now this square root of x from denominator to this square root of x from numerator cancel out each other. Here square root of x is equal to 5. Now squaring on both sides, square root of x squared is equal to 5 squared. So this square root and square cancel out. Here x is equal to 5 squared, which is 25. We have found that x is equal to 25. This is the same value as we have found this by first method. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe this.